Hello, in this video, we will show you how to change the network settings of your AREC Media Station. AREC Media Stations have a default IP address on the LAN port, which is 192.168.11.254. For RADA cameras ADC20 and ADC30, the default IP is 192.168.11.201. If you are not sure what is the default IP of your device, please consult the user manual. In order to change the IP address of your device, you have to access the administrator page. On the back panel of the LS210, LS310, LS410, and DS9CU, there are two network ports. The WAN port on the left and the LAN port is on the right. To access the station and change the network settings, connect your media station's LAN port directly to your laptop or PC's Ethernet port. For cameras, connect to the only port available. On Windows, go to Control Panel, Network and Internet, Network and Sharing Center, and change adapter settings. This will open a new window where you can see all the available network connection options. Look for the Ethernet one and double-click on it. Then hit Properties, and you will see several items. We are only interested in Internet Protocol version 4. Select and hit Properties. We need to make sure that the Ethernet port of the computer is in the same range as the media station. So to do that, we need to change the IP address to manual and input 192.168.11 and any number from 1 to 253, but never use 254 since this is the address of the media station. For this example, I will input 2. Subnet mask should apply automatically, but if it doesn't, it should be 255.255.255.0. Click OK, and you can close all of these windows. Now go to any browser and input the default IP address of the station, 192.168.11.254, and hit Enter. Remember, this method will only work if you are connected to the LAN port of your station, not to the WAN. And that is all. For more training videos, visit our YouTube channel at ADENA channel and our website www.a-dena.com.